Easy English. De Havilland Mosquito. The Mosquito was designed in response to Air Ministry Specification P.1336, which called for a twin-engine bomber that could carry a 4,000 pounds bomb load over a range of 2,000 miles at a speed of 275 miles per hour. De Havilland's design team, led by Geoffrey de Havilland Jr. and R.E. Bishop, proposed a wooden construction, which allowed for faster production and reduced the need for strategic materials such as aluminum and steel. The Mosquito's wooden construction consisted of a balsa and birch plywood core, covered with a layer of spruce veneer, and finished with a fabric skin. The Mosquito entered service with the RAF in 1942 and quickly proved its worth in a variety of roles. The de Havilland DH.98 Mosquito, also known as the Mossy, was a British multi-role combat aircraft that served during World War II. It was one of the most versatile and successful aircraft of the war and was affectionately nicknamed the Wooden Wonder because it was constructed almost entirely out of wood. The Mosquito was first flown in November 1940 and entered service in 1942. It was designed as a fast, light bomber, but its high speed and altitude capabilities made it ideal for other roles such as reconnaissance, fighter bomber, and night fighter. Its wooden construction made it faster and more agile than other aircraft of its size and power. The Mosquito was powered by two Rolls-Royce Merlin engines, which gave it a top speed of over 400 miles per hour and a range of up to 1,500 miles. Its armament varied depending on the mission, but it typically included 4 20mm Hispano cannon and 4.303 Browning machine guns. The Mosquito was used extensively by the Royal Air Force RAF and was also operated by other Allied air forces, including the U.S. Army Air Forces, the Royal Canadian Air Force, and the Royal Australian Air Force. It was involved in a wide range of operations, including bombing raids on Germany, low-level attacks on shipping, photo reconnaissance missions, and night fighter operations. The Mosquito was a highly successful aircraft, with a reputation for speed, versatility, and reliability. It was a key component of the RAF's bombing campaign against Germany and played a significant role in many other aspects of the war. Its speed and altitude capabilities made it a valuable asset for photo reconnaissance missions over enemy territory, where it could fly at high altitude and avoid detection by enemy fighters. It was also used as a fighter bomber, carrying bombs and rockets for ground attacks, as well as a night fighter, equipped with radar and cannon to intercept enemy bombers over British cities. One of the Mosquito's most significant roles was as a bomber in the RAF's Bomber Command. Its speed and range allowed it to carry out precision bombing raids deep into Germany, where it could evade enemy fighters and flak defenses. Mosquito bombers were used to attack key targets such as factories, airfields, and V-1 and V-2 rocket sites, and were credited with destroying more than 600,000 tons of enemy shipping during the war. The Mosquito was also used by Allied air forces, including the U.S. Army Air Forces, which operated a variant known as the Baltimore. The Mosquito had several variants, including the BMK-4 and BMK-16 bombers, the FBMK-6 and FBMK-18 fighter bombers, and the NFMK-12 and NFMK-13 night fighters. Some Mosquito aircraft were also converted for use as pathfinders, equipped with radar and target marking equipment to guide other bombers to their targets. The de Havilland DH.98 Mosquito was a highly successful and versatile aircraft that played a significant role in many aspects of World War II. Its wooden construction, high speed, and range made it a unique and valuable asset to the Allied war effort, and it remains one of the most iconic aircraft of the war. The Mosquito continued to serve after the war, with some aircraft being converted for civilian use as high-speed transports and executive aircraft. Thank you for watching. If you don't mind, please subscribe to this channel.